Hello students, in previous video we learned about the compilation process. So today we learn about interpreter process, which is also known as interpretation process. Since an interpreter is also a translator software like compiler, its role to convert source code into machine intelligible code. Through its purpose is same as compiler, but its working is very different from a compiler. Unlike compiler, which works with the whole program at all steps, the interpreter focuses on one line of code or one unit of code at a time. The interpreter analyzes one line of a code and converts into object code, adds in required library, if any, and runs it. First line of code is executed even before the second line is converted to the object code. This way, interpreter proceeds with the each line of the code. So as we know, compiler translate all source code into machine code in single time, but interpreter converts source code into machine code one line at a time. When it changes the code from machine to source code to machine code, it adds required library and run it. So when the first line of code is executed, then second line code will be converted into object code. So this way the interpreter proceed with each line of code. So this thing we can understand by this following diagram. So here we have five line of code. If we are using compiler, then all code will be converted into machine intelligent code, which is whole code converted to the executable. So that time here the executable will be run and compiler software now not needed any more. So once that all code converted by the compiler into machine code, then it can be executed on machine. That time no need of compiler. But if we are using all these five code and we are translating this by the using interpreter, that time it will be converted one by one, and one by one will be execute commands. So execute converted single line of code interpreter is very much needed here. So every time when the line comes to the executable mode, we need interpreter for the next line, we need for interpreter for the next line, again next line, and again next line. So that's why interpreter is slow and compiler is very fast. Only once the interpreter finishes the running one line of code or a section of code successfully will it actually move on to the next line. So if any error comes in particular this block, that time a program will not execute for the next line, and program will be terminated due to the error. So in compiler, if there is any error to convert, so program will also not be executed. So today we learned about interpretation of process, how interpretation works, and how this convert all source code into machine code one by one,